This is the move for those who.
We in my army salute our opponents.
Let's go.
Opening with the king's pawn controls the center.
And opens up the light, squared bishop and queen. It is sharp game.
Knight take position.
Knight F6.
We salute our opponents.
Idiot doesn't take care of the knight. Let's see what this not smart guy is capable of.
Pawn E5.
Attacks the knight and gains space in the center. Do you consider yourself the smartest?
I am. Relocates the attacked knight to the center.
Knight D5.
He doesn't listen to advice.
Pawn D4.
Takes space in the center and supports the E5 pawn. Okay. Pawn D6 attacks the E5 pawn. This allows the light, squared bishop to develop.
He looks smart. Good night for work.
Knight F3.
Supports the pawn d4 and pawn e5.
Pawn G6 prepares to fianchetto the dark, squared bishop G7. He's clairvoyant. I'll confuse him.
Bishop C4.
Develops the bishop to an active square where it attacks the knight on d5.
And controls the center.
You didn't scare me.
Knight E6.
Retreats the attacked knight to a square. Okay, let's wait a little.
Bishop E3.
Retreats the attacked bishop and keeps it on the active diagonal. Bishop G7. I am puts the bishop on the long diagonal.
My queen, your time has come.
Yes, you are my king. The queen starts the action from her starting square.
I activate.
Knight C6.
It's castling time. Rook forward.
So calmer, warmed up a little.
Castling kingside tends to be safer than queen. By castling to the same side of the board as the opponent, this will allow me to avoid some of the attacks associated with castling on the opposite side.
You're an idiot. Your head is empty. You repeat everything after me.
Do you think you can defeat me? Sweaty feet in your mouth?
My infantry will not let me down.
Pawn H3.
Okay. Pawn I5. I foresaw this. You are showing your stupidity. You're an idiot.
Pawn All4.
This is the only move that works. This prevents the opponent from being able to take a bishop.
This maintains the balance in the material with a good trade. I am recaptures. Rejoice, asshole!
Great. We have an equal trade of pieces.
Knight D4. Oh. Seriously? All night.
This is the only good move. This is an equal trade.
Takes back.
The queen is threatening us. Rook to work.
Rook E1.
This is the only move that works. This protects an underdefended pawn that is under attack.
Pawn D6.
The enemy is on our territory. Thank God there is a knight. Knight saves.
Knight D2. This ignores an opportunity to kick a queen.
Knight d5. This permits to win a tempo by threatening a queen.
Knight F3. This wins a tempo by threatening a queen and forcing it to move away.
Queen C5.
This moves the queen to safety.
Queen E4.
This is not the right idea. I offers to exchange pieces of equal value.
I move the bishop to a more active field, giving him more opportunities.
Bishop C4.
Knight d6. Forces the opponent to isolate their pawns.
We kicked your ass! Bastard! Take your queen! Pawn V3! This threatens to win material through a skewer. Right on target. Cool! Thank you for the knight.
Bishop C4.
This takes an open file, a common method for activating a rook.
Rook E8.
Let's take care of the rook. Rook D1. This ignores an opportunity to develop a rook off its starting square.
Queen C5.
Very precise. Queen h4. This is the only good move. This wins time by attacking an opposing queen.
We need to secure the queen. Pawn V6.
We need to move the queen. Bishop E3. This is the only move that works. This is equal trade of pieces.
Queen C6.
This is the strongest option.
Bishop H6.
This leads to winning material.
Bishop H8.
I need to move.
Rook D8. This is the only good move. The rook is now adequately defended.
I offers to exchange pieces of equal value.
Bishop B7.
You're an idiot. Rook D1.
I am stops the opponent from being able to win a pawn. Bishop g7. This is a fair move.
Rook D7. This maintains the balance in material with a good trade.
Rook F8. Recaptures.
You're a loser.
Bishop G7.
Right on target.
You're a smug idiot.
Subscribe to the Our channel, or else our chess table will be ruined.
Rook D4.
That's fine.
Rook E8. I know it's a rook off its starting square.
Queen F6.
My queen is cool. Shah. This is not the best. Pawn, I'm close to winning. That's not a mistake, but it's not the best move either. Very precise.
You're an idiot.
King H2.
This is the strongest option. A very strong play.
Rook C8. King G3.
Right on target.
I misses an opportunity to winning.
King F4. Very precise.
Bishop C8.
I lost.
Very cool.
Yes, yes, yes.
King G5. I am cool. I am a winner. Epic showdown.
If you recognize this epic game, please write in the comments.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Miss out on the new adventures of our epic chess battles.
Oh, but you still amaze me. If I find my way home, yeah.
This is the movement for those who